Okay, so we are here at the Canyon AT4X launch, and they completely surprised us with this amazing vehicle. This is the new GMC Sierra HD 2500 AT4X AEV Edition. So it not only has the rear locking differential, the Multimatic shocks, the 1.5-inch suspension lift, the 35-inch tall tires, but it's also got AEV front and rear stamped steel bumpers, integrated winch, additional skid plating, and other AEV accoutrements throughout the entire package. This is an incredible new addition from AEV and GMC to the full-size truck market. Okay, so let's talk about the front bumper on this AEV Edition. One of the things that AEV is known for, what they're famous for, is their bumpers, and that's because they are the only one in the industry that provides stamped steel units like this. Now, this is multi-component. It has the ability to be able to install a come-up winch. It's also got these nodular iron recovery points. So they not only are gross vehicle weight rated, but they actually function as a skid plate on the bottom of the bumper. So when you come up to an obstacle, you can actually slide up to this nodular iron and then up on to the obstacle. So you can see we have 2 gross vehicle weight rated recovery points. You can also see that AEV was very thoughtful in how they provided access to the free spooling handle here. So it's really easy to get access to the free spooling handle. Synthetic line on the come up winch. This is going to be your winch connection point for your controller. You can also see some of the AEV badging and the integrated fog lights. This kind of bumper also allows for a ton of front surface area to the grille, because remember, this is a pickup truck with an 18,500 pound towing capacity. So you have to be able to put lots of airflow through to keep that big 6.6 liter diesel cool. All right, so moving a little bit further around, you can see that we've got these Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT 35-inch diameter tires, but they're on these AEV designed Salta aluminum wheels. Now that's an 18-inch wheel, which once you get to 35 inches diameter, an 18 is just fine. We're looking for pretty much the tire diameter to be twice that of the wheel diameter. So 35, 36 inches, and you can see easily fit a 37 on here. We have a 1.5-inch taller suspension system, and they use the Multimatic DSSV spool valve technology shock absorbers. In the front, it's a coilover configuration. These shocks make an incredible difference, and this is the only HD truck that has independent front suspension. So this is a heavy-duty independent front now with long travel, an 1.5-inch lift, and really good ride comfort across all terrain. Okay, so in the back here we can see we've also got 35-inch tall tires on these 18-inch AEV Salta wheels. We have a solid rear axle that is leaf sprung. This is long travel again, so we have an 1.5 inch more suspension lift over the factory for the stock Sierra HD, and then we've got the Multimatic dampers in the rear. So also very important, they complement the front AEV bumper with a rear AEV bumper. This is also steel, heavy reinforced corners. These corners actually are bent and formed in a way that really works almost like a slider, so they can take a lot more of an impact than a traditional steel bumper can. They still integrate all the parking sensors, but then you've got these heavy duty, again, nodular iron. These are full skid plates, so these can skid on these corners, but then they're gross vehicle weight rated for recovery. We of course have a massive receiver hitch for that 18,500 pound load, and then we've got an additional recovery point on the other side. Okay, so GMC has launched a Sierra half-ton AT4X. They've just launched the GMC Canyon AT4X. As you would expect, they're going to follow up with the HD, and that's what I'm standing next to right now. This is the 2500 HD AT4X. Has a bunch of improvements over the standard HD model, which includes 35-inch diameter tire, 1.5-inch lift over the standard HD, Multimatic dampers, front high clearance bumper, additional skid plating, and some other accessories that are associated with the AT4X line. But that additional ground clearance really improves off-road capability, and when you combine the 35-inch diameter tire with that increased wheel travel and better damping from the Multimatics, you actually get an even better ride than you would normally get out of an independent HD. That's one of the things that's very unique about a GMC and a Chevrolet HD truck, is these are independent front suspension trucks that give much better ride quality in rough, technical, slow-going terrain or even medium speeds off-road.